Just come in whenever.
Every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, they push by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds push by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Outro. Alright, cool.
Cool.
Yeah, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. I'm not gonna have us run it multiple times because we are short on time and I have other
Yeah.
ones that we need to run through. Okay, cool. So we'll call that one. Let's see, how long did that last one go? Call it 4 minutes. All right, so now let's do. All right, I think Effie, right? Okay, I think I'm good with you. You're free to go, and then I'm gonna get the rest of. Here Comes the Sun.
Here comes the sun.
That's great, thank you.
Do-do-do. Here comes the sun. I say it's alright.
Hi,
Little
welcome back.
darling,
Thank you.
it's been a long, cold, lonely
Are you not on
winter.
Here Comes the Sun? You're not. You're done.
No, yeah,
You're
I'm
done.
only doing those 4
You're done.
songs.
Get out of my studio. Okay, great work. Thank you so much. You're really solid. Appreciate you.
You guys will be fine.
All right. So this, nope. No Bennett? Okay.
No,
All right.
he doesn't want to play it.
He doesn't want to play it. Okay. Cool. So we'll just,
Wing it, I guess.
do it, I guess.
Oh, that's loud.
This is my most sheet music. It's for this one.
Definitely know what I'm doing.
I so know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I believe in both of you.
Rad. Okay.
All right. So just why not start whenever you can.
Cool. We're just gonna.
That's great. That's fine.
Great.
I think it's not about that.
Here comes the sun, do 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 do. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes that. Wait.
I think it's your
Yep. Here comes the sun. Okay, cool. Yep, I know where I am.
Okay. Let's start from the top. Okay.
I saw a repeat sign where there wasn't a repeat sign.
Ghosts.
Ghosts.
1, 2, ready, go. Give me a favor before we keep going. Let me see what key you're in.
Oh yeah. I can't find the.
What are you looking for?
Where's the thing that transpose?
Oh,
That's what I was looking
that's
for.
a great question.
Yeah, because originally I think my teacher was gonna sing this, and then he just transposed it up, so it would work with like the key you were singing in. Oh, there it is.
Okay, so what? How many?
7. Is what it should be.
Okay, so let's see.
No, I'm a baritone. You
Want
can't
us
see
to
this
play it
now.
lower?
No, it's fine. It's fine. I can figure it out.
Okay, because I can also play it in D.
Where should we do it up 5 instead of 7?
Yeah, that's fine.
Here come
Does that work better?
little darling. Yeah, I'm going to say sing it a little bit down for you in the same key though.
Alright. 1, 2, ready, go.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. And I say it's alright. Little darling, the smells return into the faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. And I say it's alright.
And then it goes to. does a chorus one more time.
Those?
I think it does.
Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Ish.
Ish.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
All right. That